Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with another AliExpress haul. I hauled a few items and I want to jump right on and share with you what I picked up. So let's jump right on in. So the first die that I picked up, it looks like this and it's absolutely adorable. It creates a super cute treat bag and it comes with this layering piece that has the XOXO. And this does fit on a single sheet of 6x6 paper, so you don't have to worry about it not fitting in your die cut machine. But this is what it looks like cut out. It's absolutely adorable. And I just layered it with this word believe. I did pop it up on foam to give it a little bit of dimension. I added this really cute die cut, excuse me, and I used a border die, which I also hauled, and I'll share with you in just a minute what that looks like. But I did die cut it out and added it to this little treat box. And it's so cute. I love it. It's small, but it's cute, and you have enough room to put a lot of goodies in. So this is definitely perfect for Happy Mail, snail mail, all of that fun stuff, and definitely gift giving or you know, treats for Christmas. So I'm really loving this treat box. And I'm also looking forward to making projects with it for Valentine's Day. So it's definitely versatile in that sense. So that is the first die that I hauled. The next one I picked up looks like this, and it says thank you, and it's a circle and it's stitched, and it's really, really pretty. And this is what it looks like cut out. I did use a treat box die. I layered the thank you die on top of a circle, layered some hearts, and just popped it on this little goodie bag. And I think it came out so cute, and I love this little paper. This is a hot buy paper from Michael's that you can pick up in the hot buy section this year. I did use this shiny holographic cardstock that I also picked up off of AliExpress. I've shared the paper before. It's like a heavyweight shiny cardstock that I picked up, and I've been really enjoying playing with it. And that's what I used to die cut out the thank you. So really, really pretty. It's really big, and obviously you can use this to create cards and other things like that, but I just decided to put it on a treat box. All right, moving along, here is the border set that I picked up. It looks like this. It comes with these 6 different borders. Really, really pretty. Let me show you what it looks like cut out. I absolutely love the way this turned out, the way they cut out. That first one looks like that. How pretty is that? Here's the second one, and as you can see, I have another one die cut underneath, so you can kind of see how you can layer it with different colors, like alternate it and create a really pretty card. This one is just like a scalloped with little dots. And then you've got this one right here that looks like a little, like half of a flower. And then the last one is just a dotted edge, which is really, really pretty. I think my favorite is this one and this one, but they're all really, really pretty. So I picked that up, and that's, I used this one right here on this treat box right here. And I just die cut it out of some glitter cardstock. So really nice border set. The next die I picked up, it looks like this, and let me just take it out of the package so you can see. So it's a heart with a layering piece. It punches out all these little holes, and this is what it looks like when it's punched out with the holes. And again, I use that really pretty iridescent, like shiny paper, that heavyweight paper. It's very thick and sturdy, and it die cuts perfectly with the dies. So this is the solid heart, and you just layer it, and it gives it the layering effect, so the pink pops through. Really, really pretty. And then here's just the opposite with the pink and then the purple popping through. So really, really fun, and obviously you can just use it like this or just like this. But I really like this layering heart. Really, really pretty. And also, you know, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. You know, it'll be here before you know it. So that is why I picked those up. Let me share with you the next set, or the next die set that I picked up. It looks like this, and it says handcrafted with care. And it comes with 2 pieces, a layering piece and then this piece right here. And let me show you what it looks like. So I die cut it out several times so that you could see what it looks like. So there's one example, and it's really pretty, and it's a really nice size. You can stick these on your gift bags, your handmade cards, you know, things like that. Here's another one punched out of some shiny red glitter paper. Really, really pretty. This one I even added some white glitter behind the letters to make it pop. And then I just die cut it out of some pattern paper, and then the solid paper is white. Really, really pretty. And the letters do pop out and have like all the little pieces, so if you wanted to, you could add them back in. I didn't, but that is an option if you want to do that. And here is the last example, and I just used some shiny gold paper, and then I put some purple glitter paper behind the letters to make it pop. So I'm really, really loving this die right here. Really fun. And then the next die set I picked up looks like this, and it is a stitched pocket, like a jean pocket, and it comes with these tabs right here. Really, really cute, and it looks like this. So you get this pocket, and you get these cute little tabs that you can decorate. And what I did was I cut it out, and then I put the pocket on top so that you know, you can actually slide stuff in the pocket. So that's how, you know, you can add the little like little paper clips to your jean pocket. Really, really pretty. And again, there is some stitching on the pocket right here. So it's a really nice little pocket set. And again, this would be, you know, perfect to put one of these little handcrafted little signs. You could do that on your little jean pocket. How cute would that be? So anyway, a really fun pocket die right there. All right, moving along. I shared this die in another, my previous haul, but I wanted to show you the shaker that I had made. I had created this shaker, and then I realized I didn't put enough sequins in it, but I did want to share with you that you can create shakers with this heart die, and it's really, really pretty. And again, this is 4 scalloped hearts, so it's a really nice size set. Really, really pretty. All right, moving along, some other dies that I picked up that I did not cut out is this heart right here, and it comes with 2 pieces, so you can do a solid and then the other the hearts that punch out. I picked up this little die right here. It's kind of like a viewfinder. You can go in and layer it. You can write the words like happy birthday or congratulations. You could stamp or use stickers. I thought this would be versatile and fun to play with. The next die I picked up looks like this, and this is just a little set of envelopes. Really, really cute, and they look like this cut out. This one has like a little scalloped edge to it, if you can see that. And then you would just slide your little note inside and create your little embellishment. I used a double-sided paper, but I thought that was super cute. And then this die right here, which I've shared before, this one right here, it has lots of layers and the word love. So that is it. If you stayed through this video and watched it completely, I am doing a giveaway. So just leave the word Mary in your comment, and I will be doing a giveaway. I will be giving away this die right here, this die right here, and this die right here. So in your comments, leave the word Mary. Thank you for watching. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.